Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to CAD-117 Intermediate AutoCAD and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Okay, so in the main splash page we've released Module 10, and Module 10 goes through 3D modeling basics. And this will be our last module. If there is some more work that you'd like to do, we can make some bonus work available. But as we go through, we've progressed quite well through the course. And so as we work with solid modeling, what we're going to do is we're going to create these two drawings. One of them is for this tool slide, and the other one is for this part model. And they give you the 2D geometry. And so the completed drawings look like this, or at least the instructions do from the author. And so as we look at the instructions, essentially we download the geometry for the tool slide, and then what we do is we region the objects because we have to have closed boundary shapes to make solids. We can make wireframes from line geometry, but we can't 3D print or do as many things with wireframes. So we want to create regions of the shapes, and then we extrude them, 3D rotate them, and align them to the proper coordinates using object snaps and 3DO snaps. And then we'll put that on a title block and turn that into the assignments folder. All right. If we take a look at the content section, I'm going to view this as a student. Here's our Module 10, and you're to read the chapter and complete Lab 10A and 10B. Here's the chapter information from the PowerPoint. And essentially the learning objectives are to be able to work with these three-dimensional coordinate systems, work within the z-axis, create these three-dimensional parts using the extrude command, 3D rotate, and then Boolean operations for subtraction and unioning. Back to the Module 10 information. And this is the same just as a PDF. Here's the assignments. And then here's the YouTube tutorial, or the D2L tutorial, which will walk you through creating the geometry. Back to the Module 10. All right. If we look at the outline of topics, we can see that we're winding down. We're on Chapter 10. And then next week we'll review for the final exam. Back to the main splash page. Alrighty, so that's our Zoom classroom meeting. I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.